Hello everyone, we've given Miles a super service and all-terrain tyres!
My darling Miles deserves the best. We've been friends for so long. I'd be lost without him.
Well, Grandma, I have a special gadget that means you'll never be lost, with or without Miles. It's called a GPS.
A BP what now?
This device uses satellites to show you and others your location and guides you wherever you want to go.
Fascinating. Yeah. Tell me more when I get back. Miles and I are going for a little spin.
Bye then.
Nothing like the open road, eh, Miles? What do you say? We test these tyres off-road. Yahoo! Yeah! Perfect end to a perfect ride. Come on, old pal. It's home time. Oh, we're out of fuel. Oh, not to worry. Gecko will help us out. Oh, but he doesn't know where we are. Oh, yes, Miles. The doodah whatchamacallit will help him find us. Woo! Attach it to your handlebars, you say? Gotcha! Then the tool I need is a screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Tighten these screws, and it's secure. Now, to turn it on... Ta-da!
Where's Grandma? It's almost dark. Miles and Grandma have activated the GPS. They might be in trouble. Come on, Red. Let's follow their signal.
I'll build us a nice cosy shelter while we wait for Gecko to find us. Oh! Look, Miles. Aliens. Oh, no, it's Gecko.
Grandma! Miles! What happened? Are you okay?
Rookie mistake. We ran out of fuel.
At least the GPS worked, though. Perhaps you could use it to guide us home. I saved the garage on there for you. Just press this button.
Oh, yes! How clever! It says that way to the garage.
But the garage is that way.
Not according to your fancy gizmo.
Grandma, you fitted the GPS upside down.
Oh, you cheeky boy.
Goodbye, everyone.
It's Dylan the dump truck. How can we help you today? You're having problems with your dumper? Go, mechanicals! I see. Your dumper keeps dumping itself. Let's have a look. I think the piston needs replacing. Pulling this lever will stop it dumping, whilst I fetch a new piston. This will fix the problem.
Oh.
Huh? How did that get flipped back? Oh, so it was you plugging the cable back in. Oh, that's okay. You've had some fun. Now let's get the work all done. That's your new piston fitted, Dylan. But I've got an idea for this old piston. Okay, mechanicals, all done. check out your brand new slide, built using Dylan's old piston. Hello everyone! Today the mechs are going for a flight in their flying machine.
Wow, it's even more estupendo than I remember.
Don't forget, Mechanicals, flying is fun, but everybody has an important job to do in order to stay safe. I would come with you, Blue, but I have to change Tilly's battery today. You'll have lots of fun with Cat.
Helena and I will be right beside you the whole time.
Ready to fly? 3, 2, 1, go, go, Mechanicals! Now, let's get this battery changed. Hey, Tilly?
You're doing great, Mechanicals. Ay, Mia! The Mechanicals have broken their controls. Hola, Mechanicals. Stay calm and follow my instructions. If the joystick and cables are broken, you need to grab hold of the loose cables to steer. When you pull down on the left side, the machine will steer left. And same with the right. Now hold on tight. It will take a little longer to get home than planned.
There you are, Tilly. A brand new battery. But the mechs and Cat still aren't back. How's it going up there, Cat? Over?
We're almost home, Gecko. But the Mechanicals broke their controls.
Spinning screwdrivers! How will they land safely?
I can help them, but it's getting dark. And we can't see where to land.
Head for the garage, and I will find a way to help you get back on the ground, over and out. How can we help the mechs find us in the dark? I've got it! We can power those lights with Tilly's battery to make a runway. What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Now, if I wire these lights into Tilly's battery with my screwdriver and then turn on her engine, we have a runway to guide the mechs home.
Magnifica! Now, Mex, gently decrease your height and steer towards the runway. That's it. Nearly there.
Well done, Mechanicals! What a landing! And thank you, Cat.
No problema, cuties. Great runway, Gecko and Tilly.
By working together and staying calm, we help the mechs land without any harm. Now, I better fix that joystick right away. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Trevor's just delivered his plough for us to fix. Huh? Ah, and here's Dandy with Fiona Firetruck for her checkup. Coming, you two. Oopsie! It's freezing out here. Ooh. Hello, Dandy.
Oh, hi, Gecko. Hey, Mechanicals. Who wants a game of tag? Zoinks! Looks like I'm it!
Shall we get started on your checkup, Fiona?
Mechanicals, where are you?
Everything's looking good so far, Fiona. Let's just check your hose.
Are you hiding in here? Ooh. Dandy dive!
Huh? Dandy, are you okay?
Whoa! Gecko, come outside! The water from the hose has frozen.
Careful, Blue. It's not an ice rink. The ice is too bumpy to skate on. How can we make it smooth and safe? Aha! I know how to make an ice rink. We'll turn Fiona into a An ice resurfacer! What tools do I need? Wrench! Drill! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! The ice is too bumpy, so to make it smooth, the blades in this plough can remove all the grooves. Attach Fiona's hose to the plough here, please, to create a flat layer of water to freeze. This old car wash sponge will polish and shine. And now our ice rink is mighty fine. Oh, it's working! Thanks, Fiona. Together we turned an accident into brilliant fun.
Look how much fun the mechanicals are having! I'm so excited to skate!
It's safe to skate now, Blue. I've got you.
I'm skating!
Goodbye, everyone.